Welcome to Scott's Crazy Builds. Having done a successful test with the seat, I'm going to try out a little bonus function on the bike, which is the smoke function or fogging, which is a bit of a crowd pleaser if you take it somewhere. It's probably also about the worst thing that you can do in a terraced house neighbourhood, but it needs testing. So I'm going to give it a little go. It's raining and there's not many people in their back gardens, I don't think, so we'll see how it goes. I'm going to try the smoke function. Whoa! That's quite a lot of smoke. The smoke function works. Oh, I think we'll leave it there for today. Yeah. Well, the smoke test went very well. We made a lot of smoke. Thankfully, no one was in their garden at the time. Got some more stuff to come, including how you can build one of these engines on the cheap. Maybe you fancy one for yourself. Of course, I've got to ride the bike. To do that, I need a trailer and tow bar. So if you could spare £2, a quid, a fiver, whatever on GoFundMe, please sponsor my GoFundMe. Otherwise, if you just like what I'm doing and want to see more, then yeah, check out Insta, YouTube, Facebook, ScottsCrazyBuilds, and please share what I'm doing. Plenty more to come. Thanks for tuning in.